Okay, a box is placed on a scale. There we go. 2 of these boxes are now placed on a scale. Draw a pointer on the scale to show how much they weigh. Alright, so let's have a look at this first box then. If we look at our scale, we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little divisions from 0 to 100. So that means each little division must be 20, and we can check that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yep, that works. So if this is 100, 20, 40, 60 by there, that's 160, isn't it? So one box weighs 160 grams. So if that box is 160 and that box is 160 grams, adding them together then, they're going to be 320, aren't they? And I've marked that on there ready. Look, there's 300, there's 320. Okay. Here it says that 5 identical cubes are now placed as shown. Find how much one cube weighs. Right, so what do we already know? We already know that the 2 boxes weigh 320, don't we? We know 2 boxes equals 320 grams, yeah? We know 2 boxes and 5 cubes. What do they weigh? Well, it goes all the way down to 620. Right, so looking at these two then, the difference between these two is the 5 cubes, isn't it? Because this is 2 boxes and this is 2 boxes and 5 cubes. So the difference is the weight of the 5 cubes. So 5 cubes, they weigh 620. Take away 320. So they weigh 300, don't they? So those 5 cubes weigh 300 altogether. Alright, we've got 160 and 160, so that's 320. And then all of these 5 weigh 300. And we want to know what 1 cube weighs. So 1 cube, well, if 5 weigh 300, we've got to divide that by 5, haven't we? To find out what 1 is. So 1 weighs 60 grams. Okay.